Welcome to ProjectVentive channel. For more information, please check out our website www.projectventive.com. Before getting started, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. The DaVinci Surgical System is an innovative medical robot created by Intuitive Surgical. It has revolutionized the way surgeons operate, giving them greater precision and accuracy than ever before. This groundbreaking device has many uses and capabilities, from minimally invasive surgery to robotic-assisted surgeries. In this video, we'll explore what the DaVinci Surgical System is, who developed it, its uses, features, and capabilities, why it was developed, and what the future of the DaVinci Surgical System looks like. What is the DaVinci Surgical System? The DaVinci Surgical System, developed by Intuitive Surgical, is a robotic-assisted surgical platform designed to facilitate minimally invasive surgeries. The robot is comprised of three main parts: the surgeon's console, the vision system, and 4 robotic arms. The console contains the user interface, where the surgeon controls the robotic arms and performs the procedure. The vision system allows for 3D imaging to assist in the visualization of tissues and anatomy during the procedure. The 4 robotic arms allow for precise movements and access to smaller surgical sites that traditional open surgery would not allow for. Who developed the DaVinci Surgical System? The DaVinci Surgical System, DVSS, was developed by Intuitive Surgical, a leader in the field of robotic surgery. Founded in 1995, the company was one of the first to develop robotic surgery platforms and has since become the industry leader in providing minimally invasive surgical solutions. The first DaVinci system was approved by the FDA in 2000, and since then the system has been used in more than 7 million surgeries worldwide. Intuitive Surgical's mission is to revolutionize surgery by creating technological breakthroughs that enable surgeons to provide better care for their patients. The DaVinci Surgical System is designed to help surgeons perform minimally invasive surgery. It features advanced robotics, optics, and computer technology that allows surgeons to operate with enhanced precision, dexterity, and control. The system is composed of 3 parts: a console where the surgeon operates from, 4 robotic arms, and an endoscope camera. This enables the surgeon to access difficult-to-reach areas of the body while maintaining a high level of accuracy. Intuitive Surgical continues to develop and refine its technology to improve outcomes for patients. The latest version of the DaVinci system has new features such as improved 3D vision and EndoWrist instrumentation. These features enable surgeons to perform even more complex procedures with greater precision and less risk of complications. The company is also actively researching new applications for its technology, including potential treatments for prostate cancer, colorectal cancer, heart disease, and stroke. Uses of the DaVinci Surgical System. The DaVinci Surgical System, Intuitive Surgical's medical robot, has a range of uses. Developed to enhance the safety, accuracy, and precision of surgery, it is used to perform minimally invasive procedures. Some of the most common uses of the DaVinci Surgical System include: Number 1. Cardiac valve repair. This is a minimally invasive surgical procedure to repair or replace damaged heart valves, which can cause conditions such as regurgitation or stenosis. The procedure typically involves inserting a catheter through a small incision in the groin and guiding it to the heart, where a prosthetic valve is implanted to replace the damaged one. Number 2. Abdominal surgery. This type of surgery involves procedures that are performed in the abdomen, such as removal of the gallbladder, appendix, or parts of the stomach or intestines. These procedures are usually performed through small incisions using laparoscopic techniques, which result in less pain and faster recovery times compared to traditional open surgery. Number 3. Gynecological surgery. This type of surgery involves procedures related to the female reproductive system, such as hysterectomies, removal of the uterus, bladder repair, and endometrial ablation, removal of the lining of the uterus. These procedures can be performed using minimally invasive techniques, such as laparoscopy, which result in shorter hospital stays and faster recovery times. Number 4. Urological surgery. This type of surgery involves procedures related to the urinary tract and male reproductive system, such as removal of the prostate gland or other pelvic organs. These procedures can be performed using minimally invasive techniques, such as laparoscopy or robot-assisted surgery. which result in less pain and faster recovery times compared to traditional open surgery. Number 5. Bariatric surgery. This type of surgery is used to treat morbid obesity and involves procedures such as laparoscopic gastric bypass and sleeve gastrectomy. These procedures involve reducing the size of the stomach and rerouting the small intestine, which results in significant weight loss and improvement in other obesity-related health conditions. Number 6. Ear, nose, and throat, ENT, procedures. This type of surgery involves procedures such as excision of tonsils, sinus surgery, and ear tube placement. These procedures are usually performed on an outpatient basis and involve the use of minimally invasive techniques, which result in faster recovery times and less pain. Number 7. Orthopedic surgery. This type of surgery involves procedures related to the musculoskeletal system, such as repair of ligaments and tendons in joints such as the knee and shoulder. These procedures can be performed using minimally invasive techniques, such as arthroscopy, which result in less pain and faster recovery times compared to traditional open surgery. Number 8. General surgery. This type of surgery involves a wide range of procedures such as laparoscopic appendectomy, removal of the appendix, and colectomy, removal of part of the colon. These procedures can be performed using minimally invasive techniques, which result in less pain and faster recovery times compared to traditional open surgery. Number 9. Transplant surgery. This type of surgery involves the transplantation of organs such as the kidney or liver from a donor to a recipient. These procedures are complex and require a skilled surgical team, but can significantly improve the quality of life for the recipient. Number 10. Cancer surgery. This type of surgery involves the removal of tumors in areas such as the head and neck, esophagus, pancreas, and colon. These procedures can be performed using minimally invasive techniques, such as laparoscopy, which result in less pain and faster recovery times compared to traditional open surgery. Features and capabilities of the DaVinci Surgical System. The DaVinci Surgical System, Intuitive Surgical's medical robot, is a revolutionary robotic platform designed to help surgeons perform minimally invasive surgery. It is designed to provide the surgeon with greater control and precision when performing delicate procedures. Here are 10 of its key features and capabilities. Number 1. The DaVinci system has 4 robotic arms that allow the surgeon to perform multiple tasks simultaneously. This allows for faster, more precise and less invasive surgeries. Number 2. The system's endo-wrist instruments have 7 degrees of freedom and provide a greater range of motion compared to conventional instruments. This gives the surgeon more control over surgical tools. Number 3. The 3D HD visualization system provides a magnified, high-definition view of the operating area. This allows the surgeon to identify and work on small anatomical structures. Number 4. The system's intuitive motion TM technology helps the surgeon to perform complex, precise motions with ease. Number 5. The DaVinci system is equipped with ergonomic controls that make it easier for the surgeon to operate the system. Number 6. The system is designed to be fully compatible with existing laparoscopic surgical instruments and equipment. Number 7. It has advanced safety systems that ensure patient safety by preventing accidental damage or movement of instruments. Number 8. It has automated procedural protocols that allow for streamlined procedures with fewer steps. Number 9. The DaVinci system is highly adaptable and can be used for a wide range of surgical specialties, such as general surgery, urology, gynecology, and cardiac surgery. Number 10. It has an intuitive user interface that allows new users to quickly learn how to use the system with minimal training. Why was the DaVinci Surgical System developed? The DaVinci Surgical System, developed by Intuitive Surgical's medical robot, was created to enable surgeons to perform complex procedures with greater precision and accuracy. The system was designed to make surgery easier, safer, and less invasive. It was also created with the intention of providing a more comfortable experience for both the patient and the surgeon. The DaVinci Surgical System offers 10 different uses and features that are designed to help the surgeon perform complex procedures more efficiently. These include robotic arms that allow for greater precision and accuracy, 3D vision systems that provide better visualization during surgery, and instruments that can be manipulated to perform delicate maneuvers in tight spaces. In addition, The DaVinci system is capable of providing surgeons with real-time feedback during the procedure, which can be used to reduce the time needed to complete the operation. The DaVinci surgical system was also developed with the goal of decreasing surgical trauma, both to the patient and the surgeon. It was designed to allow for smaller incisions, decreased blood loss, less tissue damage, and shorter hospital stays. Additionally, it has been shown to reduce pain and improve overall outcomes for patients. Overall, the DaVinci surgical system was designed to make complex surgical procedures simpler and more efficient for both patients and surgeons. Its wide range of uses and features allow it to provide the surgeon with more control and precision when performing operations, making it a valuable tool in the field of medicine. The future of the DaVinci surgical system looks very promising, as new technologies are being developed that are allowing it to become even more powerful and effective. What is the future of the DaVinci surgical system? The DaVinci surgical system is paving the way for a new era of minimally invasive surgery. As technology advances, it is clear that the possibilities for the DaVinci surgical system are vast. Intuitive Surgical, the company behind the robot, has already made great strides in making the system more precise and easier to use. In the near future, surgeons will be able to perform even more complex procedures with greater accuracy and precision. Additionally, Intuitive Surgical is working on developing new versions of the robot that can perform multiple surgeries at once, thus increasing efficiency and reducing costs. In addition to technological advancements, Intuitive Surgical is also looking at ways to increase the accessibility of the system. They are exploring ways to make the robot cheaper and more accessible to medical facilities around the world. This could revolutionize the field of minimally invasive surgery and make these types of procedures even more accessible than ever before. The future of the DaVinci surgical system looks very bright. With advances in technology, surgical procedures are becoming safer and more precise, and more people are now able to access them. The possibilities for this robotic surgical system are endless, and Intuitive Surgical is committed to continuously improving the technology to benefit both patients and medical professionals. I hope you liked my video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel.